Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and today I want to do a video. I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but this is going to be my Bitcoin Tube review day 10. So yesterday I did a day number 9, and not a whole lot of changes, but just a few other things I want to mention that I actually might have forgot on my last video. But one of the things that I want to go over is when you're adding your videos and you got videos on here, the amount of views are going to go through the roof. My views are just skyrocketing. Give me just 1 second, guys. I got to let some cat out here. Sorry about that. But yeah, the if you go check your analytics on YouTube, after putting your videos on here, man, mine are really going through the roof, and this is really helping out in a search on YouTube. My views, I'm getting about, now this is nothing to a lot of people, but I'm getting about 2 or 3 new subscribers every day. Now, that's pretty good for me right now. Um, and I know they're coming from MyBitcoinTube because um, the amount of people that seeing your videos on here. So the traffic that you get by having your videos on here is really incredible. It really is. It's worth that just to be in this program just for that. Besides the money you're making, but like I said, the yesterday I'm still in Group 6. Once you get up here, it's a little bit takes a little bit longer to get to the next step. Um, but I'm thinking probably in a day or two, I'm going to the group number 7. And so today, I still got 5 super videos to do. I started out with 14, 10 paid videos. And usually after I get my super videos done, another 1 or 2 will pop in before the evening's out. And but as of right now, I've done almost $6.50 for today. And what I usually do, I'm gonna do this for quite a while yet. I'm just gonna reinvest it right back in, just buy more ad packs, and just keep going to. Don't know if I'll get the group 10 or not, but I want to get the 8 or 9 at least, where you're getting like 40 or $50 every day coming out of here. And let me see. I wanted to show you. Let me show. A lot of people keep asking. I do this almost on every video that I do, but I'll do another one right now. I'm going to add a video in my back office here and show you how it's done. Let me hang on 1 second. Let me find one here that. Let's try. Okay, let's try this one here. Okay, just pull your video up, and you want to copy up here at the top that link there. Come back to MyBitcoinTube, and it says add new video. Right here, what I usually do is just delete that right there because it's all attached to what I got. Paste that in. Now you just go back and get the title. Real easy, guys. Real easy one. Copy title, come back, paste the title in, hit submit video, and right after you do that, you want to go straight to manage videos right here. Click that. I was just straight to the bottom. That's where if you got more than one, that's where they're going to be at right here. You want to hit validate. What you're going to do is play your video like this is how the other videos look when you're doing paid videos and super videos. This is what it looks like when it pops up. You want to play it. They're going to play for 20 seconds to make sure there's no problems.
Good morning, everyone.
So just hang in there with me for another 15 seconds. And see right here, when you put your videos in here, your title, your video, picture of you here, if you're on here, will be showing. And then success comes up, you click success. Because this guy is really powerful here, this watching videos. I mean, this guy thought this up. It's brilliant. All right, and then you scroll back down. And let's see. Here it is. Right here. Add your credits. You gotta add a minimum of 100 credits. I've got a lot of credits, so that's not a problem. I just add 100. Add that, and you're good to go. I got 5,890 credits. That's a lot of videos I can load. See right there, I had 5 super videos a minute ago. Now it's back to 6. See how they'll just throw some in throughout the day and evening. But that's how you do your videos. Real powerful. Got great traffic coming in here. Let me see some other things I want to go over with you real quick. Remember to come in here and read here about the questions that are asked most often. Get down in here and read these questions. Get familiar with this, especially this group area here. See where you got to be to get to your next goal and work to go after that. We actually have, let me show you something. This is my Facebook. So if anybody wants to send me a message, that's my Facebook, Curtis Fillers. You can send me a message, send me a friend request, follow me. I'd really enjoy having you as a friend. But let me show you one of our, we got 2 groups. Let's see. Here's the official group. Official. And here's the other group. That's the one where the owner's in. This is the other group that we have like almost 2,000 in. But in this one group, you can go to files and it tells you exactly, we got a lot of things in these files, and you can see exactly a lot of the questions you want. The answers are right here. But here's a compounding earnings strategy that we all use. It's the one I use. It tells you what you got to put in, your daily earnings, what gets deducted. This is how you can work your way up all the way to number 10. That's in the Facebook group right there. But once you get in here, I'll add you to the Facebook group, add you to both of them actually. So that won't be no problem. But back to the back office here, what you want to do, you want to come in here, and I would at least put $5 in. You want to at least put $5 in and just go with it. Get yourself up to, you can get up to group 4 pretty quick, and just go from there and work to group 5, group 6, and you'll start seeing it happening. What'll happen is you'll get the videos here. It'll be 10 of them, and it'll seem like nothing at first until you start moving up in the groups, and then it starts to make sense and you start making some money. So you just got to hang in there and work toward that goal of whatever group you want to be in. Like I said, next video I do, that will say group 7 or above, but it will say 7. Not sure if it'll say 8, but it will say 7 the next video I do on this. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to make it a fairly quick video. I just wanted to go over the how to add the videos again. Some people are having a little bit of problem with that. And don't forget, you come in here, you really want to, if you can afford it. If you can't, don't worry about it. Get the premium membership, $19.90 a month. I have it paid for in like 3 days. It's paid for. And you get super videos if you have the premium membership. If you don't have the premium membership, you don't get the super videos. And you get more BVP for having premium than you do if you don't. And that's what makes this go up, which makes your groups go up. You go up higher in the groups with the more BVP you got. So remember, guys, in the description below, I'm going to have a link to get started in here. You have any questions, contact me. Be more than happy to help you guys. You guys know I'll help you out. So you guys take care and have a great week coming up. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.